Did you know that you can build a YouTube channel that makes money without ever showing your face or recording a single video? Yes, it's 100% possible. That's the power of YouTube automation. So in this video, I'll be telling you the three most profitable YouTube automation niches. You have to understand that not all niches are created equal. That is why in this video, I'll be giving you the three most profitable YouTube automation niches. Just trust me by watching this video. When you watch it, you will learn, you will see the three most profitable YouTube automation niches. So please keep on watching. So for those of us who don't know, what is YouTube automation? YouTube automation refers to the process of creating and managing a YouTube channel without being directly involved in all aspects of content creation. Instead, your videos are outsourced or automated, allowing you to focus on strategy and growth. So YouTube automation is like leaving AI or a robot to manage your channel for you, to create videos for you, to write descriptions, come up with SEO and all that for you while you focus on other things. So it's a very, very good thing actually. So in this video, I've already said it before, I'm going to give you three profitable niches for a YouTube automation channel. In case you don't know, this channel is all about YouTube beginner education and CapCut tutorials. So please like and subscribe. Let's dive in. So, guys, the first profitable YouTube automation niche that I'll be sharing with you guys is the personal finance and wealth. This niche is a gold mine because it attracts advertisers willing to pay top dollar. Think about topics like, for example, how to save $10,000 in a year, top 5 passive income ideas, or best apps for budgeting. You see all these topics, they can generate lots and lots of money for you. With high CPM rates, channels in this niche can generate thousands from ad revenue alone. You can automate this niche by outsourcing script writing, voiceovers, and video editing while using royalty-free footage or animations. Just use B-roll clips, download stock images, and edit everything together, and you'd be making your money. It's a very, very good niche. Just trust me. So the second niche is health and wellness. You see, everybody wants to live longer and feel better, which makes this niche timeless and always in demand or on demand. So, popular topics that you can do for this niche is, for example, we have the 5 minute home workout, best food for weight loss, how to reduce stress naturally. When you do all this kind of topic, you see people will watch your videos, especially that how to reduce stress naturally, because nowadays everybody is stressed. So you can use AI generated voiceovers, stock images, or animations to create engaging, informative videos. This niche also opens doors for affiliate marketing, promoting products like supplements, fitness programs, or meal plans. So it's a very, very good niche. Just trust me. People are always looking for ways to be healthy. People are always looking for how to work out, how to exercise, how to reduce stress and other things. You can do your research and find out some other topics that you can do concerning health and wellness. It's too much. It's just too much out there. This one is the most important one. Health and wellness is very, very important. So just trust me on this, guys. It will generate lots and lots of revenue for you. You like and subscribe. So let me just give you the niche. The final YouTube automation niche is tech and gadgets. So this tech and gadgets is very, very good because there is always new products launching constantly. There is never a shortage of content ideas. Topics like top 5 smartphones under $500, best laptops for gaming, or how to set up a smart home. You can automate this niche by combining AI tools for voiceovers and script writing with product footage from manufacturers or B-roll clips. Plus, the tech audience often clicks on affiliate links, adding another revenue stream to your channel. You see, when you do product review and you get recognized, these products will give you an affiliate link that people will click on, because people are always looking for ways to buy things cheaper. So when they click on your affiliate link, you know what that means: more revenue for you, more money for you. So this niche is very, very good. You can just do it. It's good. It will generate good money for you. The tech and gadgets niche. You see these three niches I just shared with you. These three niches I give you, they are proven to be highly profitable for YouTube automation channels. So just trust me, they're really, really profitable. So now it's your turn to take action. Like it's your turn to take action. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And please, if there is any niche that excited you the most, let me know in the comment section. I'll be there to answer each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to share this video so that others can learn. Thank you so much once more. And please check this video showing on your screen right now.